As a member of the Confederation of Roofing Contractors, Southwood Roofing Contractors have been taking care of our customers' roofs throughout Surrey for over 25 years. We carry out all aspects of roofing, including new installations and repairs. Talk to us about EPDM flat roofing, your flat roof installed in one piece and with a 25-year guarantee. We carry a £10 million public liability insurance for your peace of mind. Take a look at our website for all our services. You can email us or call us in Croydon at Southwood Roofing Contractors.